What's up, everybody? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Demetrius Latrice. I am a wife and working mom to 4 beautiful children. On my channel, you can expect to see wig reviews, of course, lifestyle, beauty content, fashion, and all kind of things. So if you are into internet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. So you already seen that thumbnail, you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely LuvMe hair. They sent your girl over this cute little gorgeous little unit. It's so fun, it's so classy, and if you are interested in seeing just how it came right out of the box and how easy it was to put on, stay tuned and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and the keep on go. Baby, what you mean I handle business? He called me an old soul, but little do we know that everybody doesn't get this treatment. Somebody made me want completeness. Being truly love really is different, cause I see him working hard for me. So whatever he needs, I'll be. Freak in the morning when you get I'll be. Zeus in the evening if you feel tough by your decisions, I trust, cause you only want. Here she is, y'all. Look at her. Look at her. Wow, she is so nice. She's full. She's so soft and absolutely amazing. Look at the curls on this. They are popping. Absolutely gorgeous and cute little wig. This is a nice fun wig to have, and it is perfect for those hot days, baby. Yes. So it is very cute. Let me show you the back. Submissive now, look at me now. Who is she? You So this wig is like 90% dry. It's not all the way dry, but it's absolutely amazing. I am loving this mousse on this. It did a good job, and combined with this, honey, this hair is so soft, it's so bouncy, it's flowy, it feels absolutely amazing. It is right out of the box amazingness, okay?
Let's get into the details of this unit, but before we get into the details, you know this is your girl over some goodies. So they sent over a LuvMe hair clip, a LuvMe hair makeup sponge. They also sent over some LuvMe hair Velcro strip type thingies that I don't know what is, but it's in there. They also sent a adjustable strap as well, wig caps, and a LuvMe hair drawstring bag to help store your unit in. So let's get into the details of this unit. This is LuvMe Hair's beginner-friendly water wave minimalistic lace glueless short curly wig with bangs. And yes, she is a keeper and would be great in your wig rotation. I am wearing this in the color natural black, but you do have the option to get this in 2 other colors. You are able to get it in a brown highlight and a ash blonde highlight as well. I am wearing this in the length 12 inches, and you do have the option to get this in a 10th inch length as well. The density on this unit is 150%. The lace type on this unit is regular lace, and the lace area is a fixed minimalistic lace parting. Like, look at that, look at that parting, baby. It looks like scalp, like honey. Yes, straight out of the box amazingness. Okay. The hair type on this unit is 100% human hair. This unit comes with 3 combs, 1 on each side and 1 in the back. You also get adjustable straps and a removable adjustable band to help give you that glueless effect. The cap size on this unit is 22.5 inches. Now, do this unit sheds? Just a little bit, but that is to be expected with curly units. But you do not get a overwhelming amount of shedding. It's normal, so do expect shedding, but it's normal with curly units. Is this unit glueless? Yes ma'am. Look at that, glueless. And is this unit beginner friendly? Absolutely yes. This unit was so easy to put on. I was able to put this unit in 1 second. So baby, you can install this in no time. Take it out the box and put her on, and you are basically good to go. Now, if you want to define the curls, you can wet it down, put some mousse and some gel oil on it, and have them curls popping. But if you want to just take it out the box and go, you can do that as well. The wig life on this unit is 1 year or more, depending on how you care for it. Now, let's get into the pros and cons of this unit. Now, I really don't have too many cons with this unit. The only con I would say is maybe if it had more length options. But other than that, you get color variations with this as well. So if you're not feeling the natural black, you can get other colors as well. But the only thing I can say with this particular unit, for it being a beginner friendly unit, is more length options. Other than that, I don't really have a con with this unit. Now on to the pros. The pro to this unit is that you can take it right out of the box, put her on, and go. Okay, 1 second install. What else can you ask for? Okay. She's absolutely amazing. She's extremely easy. She's soft. She's manageable. She is good for any occasion. Another pro to this unit is that it feels absolutely extremely comfortable. It's an all-day comfort type wig. It feels so amazing on my head. It's not tight, it's not loose, it feels just right. And I absolutely love that. The bangs, the curly bangs on this unit is absolutely adorable. I am liking the bangs. I never knew that I would be into bangs, but these bang wigs are amazing, and I absolutely love them because you do not have to worry about the lace, honey. Yes, if you want, if you want to not deal with lace, get you a bang wig. And you would not have to worry about lace. You don't have to worry about gluing it down. You don't have to worry about melting it down. Put this on and wear the bangs, honey. I'm telling you. I absolutely love it. When I don't want to deal with lace, put on a bang wig and you are good to go. And there you have it. I would like to thank LuvMe Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you're interested in this cutie right here, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down as well so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye!